Hello guys, welcome. So today we're just going to get into it. We're trying to solve for x with this particular equation, and we have the equation as follows. Negative 7 plus 6x is equal to x plus 8, and we need to get x by itself. So the first step we're going to take is 1. So step 1, let me use a different color. Step 1, we're going to be combining like terms or grouping like terms. All right, group in like terms. So we're going to be doing that. So that's our first thing, our first step. So group in like terms. So we look on this and we're going to identify what and what is common. So we realize that we have a 6x here and we have a x. So we're going to try to get the x over this side. It doesn't matter which one you want to take over. You can take the negative 7 over first, or you can take the x over. So whichever you are more comfortable with. So in this case, I'm going to take this x over here because it's easier. At least it's going to be a negative x from 6x. And so this is what we'll have. So we're going to be having negative 7 plus 6x. And we're going to be subtracting x on both sides. So we're going to subtract x on both sides. So we're taking x from here and we're taking x from here. And so we're going to be having here now minus x, sorry. And x minus x is 0, so that cancels each other. And we are ending up with positive 8. So we have just eliminated this x from this side. So what is left over here is a positive 8. No need to write positive or plus 8. So we just keep 8 as it is. Now we have over here negative 7 plus 6x minus x. All right, our next step, we're still going to try to get this because there's still a constant here, and it is negative 7. How do we get rid of that negative 7? We do the opposite of addition, which is the opposite of subtraction, sorry, which is addition. And so we're going to be adding 7 to both sides. So negative 7 plus 7, that's gone, that's 0. And so what we have left, let me fix this a bit. So what we have left is 6x. So we have 6x minus x, and it's equal to 8 plus 7. So now we have this part, we're right here. So we have grouped the like terms together, right? So we have grouped the like terms together. We have the x's on one side and we have the constants on the other side. So now we can go ahead and move to step 2, which is simplifying. So we're going to be simplifying. So that's our step 2. So we're going to simplify. So here we go. So in simplifying, we're going to be having x from 6x will give us 5x, and 8 plus 7 will give us a positive 15, and so we have 5x is equal to 15. We are not done as yet. We still need to get x by itself. And how do we get x by itself? We are multiplying by a 5, so we have to do the opposite of multiplying, which is dividing. So we're going to divide this side by 5. And the rule is once you're doing anything to one side of your equation, you have to do it to the other. So if we divide here by 5, we have to divide this side also by 5. And so we have 5's canceling each other. And so we have x now remaining, and x is equal to 15 divided by 5 is 3. And so our solution for this particular problem is x is equal to 3. So we just solved for x. So that was the original question, solve for x. And we went on and we do our first thing, we group like terms, then we simplify and we solve. And so that is our x value. Hope you guys enjoy.